Welcome to my Advanced Database Management System course. In this section, we discuss about updating and deleting data. Let's enjoy. Updating and deleting data in a SQL database are performed using the update and delete statements, respectively. Updating data. The update statement is used to modify existing records in a table based on specified conditions. Here's the basic syntax. Update table name, set column 1 equals value 1, column 2 equals value 2, update table name, set column 1 equals, where condition, table name, the name of the table where you want to update data. Set the columns you want to update along with their new values. Where condition, optional condition to specify which records should be updated. If omitted, all records in the table will be updated. Example: update employees, set salary equals 50,000 where department equals sales. This SQL statement updates the salary column for all employees in the sales department to 50,000. Deleting data. The delete statement is used to remove one or more records from a table based on specified conditions. Here's the basic syntax. Delete from table name, where condition. Table name, the name of the table from which you want to delete data. Where condition, optional condition to specify which records should be deleted. If omitted, all records in the table will be deleted. This SQL statement deletes all students from the students table who are older than 25 years. Delete from students where age equals 25. Note: be cautious when using delete statements, as they permanently remove data from the database. Always ensure that the where clause is used correctly to target the intended records for deletion. Similarly, when using update statements, ensure that you specify the conditions accurately to avoid unintended modifications to data. Thanks for watching the Advanced Database Management System lesson. Hope you enjoy the lesson. To learn more about Database Management System, please check the next lesson. Never stop learning. Thanks once again to enjoy the lesson.